So if we have three numbers A, B and C, which we say are proportional to the direction ratios of a line, then we can find out from those the direction cosines of the line. How is that? Suppose A, B and C are the direction ratios of a vector, that is they are proportional to the direction ratios of a vector. When we say A, B, C are direction ratios, we mean that they are proportional. Okay, so it becomes a bit lengthy to say that A, B and C are proportional to the direction ratios of a line. So we just say that A, B, C are the direction ratios. Okay, but when we say that they are the direction ratios, it is understood that they are proportional to the direction ratios. So if A, B and C are such the direction ratios, then the direction cosines can be obtained by plus or minus A upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square, plus or minus B upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square, plus or minus C upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square. Why is that? Why not something else? Because when we square them and add them, they become 1, which is proof that they are the direction ratios, the direction cosines, where if you have positive on one, then you take positive on all of them, or if you have negative, then you take negative on all of them. Mind you, the individual signs of the numbers A, B and C will still be retained. So if you're taking negative on all of them, however B happens to be a negative number in the first place, then the middle direction ratio corresponding to the y-axis will be positive. It's not that the signs are uniform, it's just that the signs outside the general ratio are uniform, not overall. So in many questions in three-dimensional geometry, we are given three numbers and they could either be the direction ratios or the direction cosines of a line, and many times, initially at least, it is confusing to identify whether they are, just by looks, whether they are direction cosines or direction ratios. So a simple test would suffice to indicate to you whether they are direction cosines or direction ratios. Generally speaking, direction cosines will be in ratio form, whereas direction ratios will be in whole number form. Another way to identify them is to put them in the form xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, square them and add them. If the sum of the squares add up to 1, then the numbers indicated are the direction cosines. If they are not, then they are proportional to the direction ratios.